Herzlich willkommen auf dem Cloud-Tag 2012 der Deutschen Telekom in Bonn. Cloud für alle, unter diesem Motto kündigte die Telekom auf der CeBIT 2012 an, zukünftig ein umfassendes Portfolio an Cloud Services für die Zielgruppen Privatkunden, Mittelstand und Großkunden zu entwickeln. Ziel des Cloud-Tags 2012, so die Telekom in ihrer Einladung, ist es nun, erste Ergebnisse dieser Ankündigung zu präsentieren. Mich interessiert natürlich insbesondere das Thema Mittelstand. Die Telekom bietet da mit dem Business Marketplace ja seit Sommer ein Online-Portal an, in dem derzeit ca. 2 Dutzend Software-as-a-Service-Lösungen von Partnern präsentiert werden. Ich treffe mich jetzt gleich mit Phil Zamani, Senior Vice President Cloud Services Business Unit. Er ist für den Mittelstand und den Business Marketplace zuständig und ich bin gespannt, was er mir über seine Erfahrungen aus den letzten 6 Monaten zu berichten weiß. Well, thank you very much for the opportunity of giving me this interview. First question, of course, German Telecom has announced a wide variety of different cloud services for different user scenarios and different target groups. Can you just give a short summary?
So Deutsche Telekom announced at CeBIT this year, Cloud for All, means consumers, mid-market, Mittelstand and enterprises, but also multinational as well. So we have groups now working on solutions for consumers, like Media Center, T-Online email. We have announced a business marketplace as a new way of cloud services for Mittelstand, and of course we have T-Systems who are developing further enterprise applications for cloud as well.
Now you're responsible for the Deutsche Mittelstand.
Yep.
Now, how would you convince typical German mittelständische Unternehmen to use cloud services made by German Telecom or Deutsche Telekom?
Very easily. Give them a choice of good products and just ask them to try it. You may like it.
Yeah. Okay.
So really, as simple as that. We're trying to make it very simple, give them really good quality applications, make sure they know what they are and they can use them, and then they will decide. We shouldn't tell them what to use, we give them a choice, and if the products are good value, easy to use, and solve a business need, whether it's collaboration or mobility here, they will buy those products. So we're going to show them.
Okay. So there is, in the public discussion, if you observe it, you see that there is the idea or the opinion that especially in Germany, German companies are a little reluctant to moving their IT into the cloud, data security, Bundesdatenschutzgesetz, all that stuff. Yeah. Do you feel this reluctance and how do you react on it?
Yeah, definitely. It's real. It's real. The pressure's there, and there's a lot of confusion about what you can do because a lot of people don't really understand what cloud is. The reality, there's different layers of security, different levels of complexity, so we have to delayer the complexity. For example, if you're a government agency here, you should not be putting public records in the cloud if you cannot control the data, because the cloud is the internet. And if the data needs to be in Germany because of German law, it needs to say in a local cloud, a private cloud. But if you're not a German government agency, but you want to collaborate with sales material here, the cloud is good for that. So you need to know what kind of class of applications are useful cloud.
So, talking about, you already mentioned it, your business marketplace, if you look at it, you see a bunch of applications already there, starting from very basic cloud services such as online storage, to more sophisticated applications such as CRM or ERP, and you also see big international vendors. You just introduced today your cooperation with Box and Microsoft, but also local vendors such as Scovisio or TechArt. So, can you just explain a little bit how you choose or how you select these ISVs?
So we are getting more sophisticated now, so we're doing a lot of work to look at the sectors of the industry. By being Deutsche Telekom, we have over 2 million SMBs. We have a lot of data, a lot of databases, a lot of customer contacts, so we can start analyzing this, and by providing the first products, we get a lot of feedback on which ones are working. We engage in a discussion here. So we're trying to be sophisticated by getting feedback from the customers or prospects, but we're also working very closely with the venture capitals who are funding a lot of these small startups and say, who are you investing in? Because you want them to be successful, and one way to be successful is to come to a market like Germany where there's a lot of customers. We can help you. So we use both. So we do some segmentation analysis to find out who are the early adopters, and then we think about what solutions are they asking for and who could offer them. And we go out, we do our desk research, we have a technical team and a commercial team, and we do due diligence, and then we hone down a pipeline of shortlists and we have a conversation with them.
Okay, so at the moment you have international brands such as Microsoft, Box, iMeet, you have German ones. Are there plans to go to other markets like UK, like France?
Yes. So we announced that Cloud for all markets. So Germany is our primary market here. Croatia has launched their own marketplace already. in fact 2 months ago, and that's going quite well. So we have a lot of B2B cloud services already, but it was not positioned as cloud. So we intend to go to multiple markets, of course the bigger ones first, but also online, because ultimately every product you buy from the business marketplace should be in English and in German and then multilingual, so because it's online. So today we even have about 15% of the registrations are outside of Germany. So that's why it's important to have an English language as well.
Okay, I understand. So yeah, so final question, just looking a little bit into the future. Let's say, I know in IT business and especially in cloud business, 5 years are a very long period of time, but let's say in the next 5 years, how do you see especially the German language cloud market evolving, and what do you see the position German Telekom will have?
Yeah, so our data, and this is a combination of all the reports, all the desk research, show us that the market for cloud in Germany within 5 years will be around 10.9 billion euros. So that's a big market. We intend to have a slice of that in the enterprise, mid-market and the consumer space. From my perspective, if on average, we think that the adoption of cloud on average in Germany is probably in the 5 to 10% range, with a number of products like email, easy ones to use. We think in 5 years it will be over 50%. So we will see not an overnight success. This market is growing around 20-25%, and we need to make sure we track the market growth and actually drive the growth as well.
Well, so hopefully we'll meet again in 5 years, and then we'll see what is going to happen.
Absolutely, absolutely. And we'll be doing this interview live in the cloud rather than a recording.
Absolutely. Thank you very much for your time, and good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.